Good morning, dear students. We are in vectors. We completed 15 parts in the vector algebra. Now we are in start the 16th part. Here we solved some problems, 11 problems in the exercise 10.3. This exercise is based on the concept dot product. What is dot product? You know it. A bar dot b bar is mod a bar mod b bar cos theta. The dot product is commutative. That is a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot a bar. If two vectors are perpendicular, then the dot product is 0. Why? Because a bar dot b bar means mod a bar mod b bar cos 90 is equal to 0. And the dot product are simply scalar product also. It follows the distributive law with respect to the addition. That means a bar dot of b bar plus c bar. A bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. These are all properties, important properties. Okay, we solved it. And on that basis, we solved 11 problems. Now we are going to solve the 12 to 17 problems. 16th problem is given as a homework. It is just like a 15. Okay, na? Yeah. What is the 12th problem? A bar dot b bar is equal to 0, not 0 bar. A bar dot b bar is a scalar product. The result of a bar dot a bar is a scalar, so it is 0. A bar dot b bar is 0. Then what can we conclude about the vector b bar? About the vector b bar. What can we conclude? That means, what is b bar? You see, a bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Here you see, a bar dot a bar. The solution of 12th problem, a bar dot a bar is given is equal to 0. That is modulus of a bar square is equal to 0. That is modulus of a bar is equal to 0. Okay, na? Why? Because the dot product of itself is its magnitude square. A bar dot a bar is modulus of a bar square. We know it. So modulus of a bar square is equal to 0. That implies square goes to that side, root 0 is 0. So modulus of a bar is 0. So the length is 0. If the length is 0, 0 not 0 vector, length is 0. Here a bar is not 0 vector. You try to understand. The modulus of a bar is 0. Null vector, 0 vector means the displacement is, that means a to a bar. The length is there. Length is something. Once again, I want to play. A body is moving from A and reaches B and takes some diversion, reaches C and again reaches A. Here this is A bar is equal to 0 bar. That is a 0 vector. That is a different one. But here it is, the length itself is 0. So that is one result. It is one result. And again we are given a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0 means, here we can understand that you see, a bar is 0 vector or b bar is 0 vector or a bar is perpendicular to b bar. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0 means either a bar is a null vector 0 vector or b bar is a 0 vector or they are perpendicular to each other. These are the results. But here it will not match with this one, the first result. Is it not it? Modulus of a bar is 0 only. But here it is a different meaning. Don't confuse that. Modulus of a bar is 0, but a bar is here from the second data. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0 means either one vector, one of the two vectors A bar or B bar, null vector. Otherwise, they are perpendicular to each other. But this result will not match with that first result. So here it is not possible to conclude about the vector B bar. Okay na? You write these two. B bar. Okay na? Here we cannot conclude anything about B bar. That is the thing. Next, the related problem is 14. I want to go to solve the 14 and again 13. We will come to 13. What is given? But A bar is equal to 0 bar. I'm sorry. A bar is equal to 0 bar or B bar is equal to 0 bar. Either the first vector A bar is 0 bar or the second vector B bar is 0 bar, then A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. With this condition, it is 0. It is one statement. Here we have to prove that the converse of this statement need not be true. That is we have to prove with some example. Clearly you see the problem of this 14 problem in your textbook. We have to mention the example also. You see, what is the statement? If any one of the two vectors A bar and B bar are 0 vectors, then the result of A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Yeah, that is okay. A bar is 0 bar, otherwise B bar is 0 bar. That means any one of the two vectors are null vectors. Then A bar dot B bar is 0 bar dot B bar. So it is 0. Not 0 bar, is 0. Its result is scalar. Its result is a number. So 0. Any one of the vectors is null vector or 0 vector, then the dot product is 0. Or otherwise, A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot of 0 bar. We may take any, this one or this one as 0 bar. So result is here also 0. So it is okay. The statement is correct. Any one of the two vectors A bar and B bar is 0 vector, then the dot product is 0. Yeah, okay. Statement is okay. But the converse. What is the converse? If A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, reverse order. If A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, then is it possible to prove A bar is 0, B bar is 0, or otherwise A bar is perpendicular to B bar also is there? Already I told you. Okay na? But it will not match to that one. You see, A bar 0 or B bar 0, and again one more concept is there. A bar perpendicular to B bar. That is not possible. Sometimes it is, but in all cases it is not possible. Okay na? So, with one more example. Let A bar is equal to I cap, B bar is equal to J cap. Then A bar dot B bar, I cap dot J cap. Modulus of I bar, modulus of J cap, cos 90, because I is perpendicular to J. Cos 90 is 0. So here in this case, A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Here the vectors are not 0. I cap. A bar is not 0. I cap. B bar is J cap not equal to 0 bar. So here the converse is perfectly not matched. Okay na? Statement is okay. If A bar or B bar is null vector, 0 vector, then the dot product or scalar product A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 bar, yes, is okay. But in reverse order, it is need not be proved in all cases. So hence the converse of this statement not needed, not need be true. Okay na? Like that we have to prove. Now we go to 13th problem. What is 13? given A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors. That implies mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to mod C bar is equal to 1. Okay, now that is unit vector such that again we are given one more condition, that is A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. That implies A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square is equal to 0, making square on both sides. That is minus of A bar square, minus of B bar square, minus of C bar square plus 2 A dot B plus 2 B dot C plus 2 C dot A is equal to 0. Okay, na? It is just like algebra. A plus B plus C whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Product means dot product. Already we know this concept. But here, modulus of A bar is unit vector. It is 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1. And it is 2 times of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. This is 3 plus 2 of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. That implies A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 3 by 2. Is it okay now? 3 goes to that side, minus 3 by 2. We are asked to find the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A value is minus 3 by 2. Like that we have to solve. Okay na? Yeah. Okay. Next we are going to solve the 15th problem. If the vertices A, B, C of a triangle ABC are given 1, 2, 3, they are the vertices coordinates minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 respectively. Then find the angle ABC. Angle ABC means the angle B. It is the between A and C. ABC angle means it is an angle B. We have to find the angle B. You see now, in the diagram, we need to find this angle. This is the angle B. It is angle B. Okay, now we are asked to find that angle B. A, we are given 1, 2, 3. That means geometrically it is given vertices. That means the 1, 2, 3 are the coordinates of the point A. Suppose A point, B point, C point. Origin is there. Wherever. Okay, now the point A is with coordinates 1, 2, 3. That is I plus 2J plus 3K. B point minus 1, 0, 0 minus I only plus 0J plus 0K. And C is 0, 1, 2. That is 0 plus 1J plus 2K. Okay, now diagram. ABC is A is given I plus 2J plus 3K. B is minus I only. C is 0 plus J plus 2K. Okay, now, and we are asked to find B only. So it is needed to find BA bar, BC bar. BA bar means OA bar minus OB bar. Already we know it. BA bar is a free vector. Any free vector can be expressed as the difference of its position vector of terminal and initial. We know it. So here it is OA bar already there. I plus 2J plus 3K. Minus OB bar is minus J bar. So minus or minus plus J, not minus I bar. Minus or minus plus I. I plus I, 2I. It is 2I plus 2j plus 3k. That is BA bar. And BC bar. BC bar is OC bar minus OB bar. OC bar is already is there. It is 0 plus j plus 2k minus OB bar is minus I. Minus I minus plus I. I plus 0 is I only. Plus j plus 2k. This is BC bar and it is BA bar. Okay, Nana? So we have the two vectors. They are free vectors. BA bar and BC bar. In order to find cos theta is A bar dot B bar by minus of A bar minus of B bar. Similarly here also, we consider BA bar dot BC bar. BA bar dot BC bar minus of BA bar minus of BC bar cos of the angle between BA and BC. That is angle ABC. So cos of angle ABC is equal to BA bar dot BC bar by mod BA bar mod BC bar. This is B. So BA dot BC is already there. BA dot BC. I dot I, J dot J, K dot K only be there. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. Or otherwise, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. The vectors A bar and B bar are given in terms of components. Then the dot product is defined like that. Okay now. And modulus of BA bar. It is a BA bar. Its modulus is, length is, magnitude is root of 2 square 4, 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9. Here root of 1 plus 2 square is 4. Okay now. If 4 plus 4, 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 6. Root 17, root 6 is nothing but root of 1 or 2. Here 2 into 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10. So the angle, the cos of angle ABC is this one, 10 by root 1 or 2. Then angle only ABC, that is angle B. That is the cos goes to that side, is the cos inverse of 10 by modulus, 10 by root of 1 or 2. Okay, Nana? Right. Like that we have to solve. Next, we go to solve the next problem. Sixteenth is given as homework. It is just like a 15th problem. You solve with your own effort. Now 17th problem. Show that the vectors sum is given. 3 vectors are given that can be formed the vertices of right angle triangle. Okay now. So you see vertices of right angle. It is 17th problem. See. Let A bar is equal to first one 2I minus J plus K. That is 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Okay na? YB bar. YB bar is what is YB bar? I minus 3J plus I minus 3J minus 5K. That is 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 5. The next OC bar. OC bar is 3I minus 4J minus 4K. It is 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 4. We are given only the vertices A, B, C, but points, they are points, vertices mean they are points. So certainly the position vector may be there. What are given, that is the coordinates, coefficients 2, minus 1, 1. That are the coordinates of the point A, or otherwise it is the position vector 2I minus J plus K, like that one. Okay now. Now, we have to prove that it is a right angle triangle. They are the vertices of ABC are the vertices of right angle triangle. Here it is not possible to mention which is A, which is B and which is C. First we solve. AB bar. AB bar means it is a free vector. OB bar minus OA bar. What is OB bar? 1 minus 3 minus 5. OA bar is 2 minus 1, 1. That is 1 minus 2. Try to understand. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 minus of minus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. That means it is minus I minus 2j minus 6k. This is AB bar. That implies modulus of AB bar. What is its modulus? By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find. Or otherwise, by using the dot product, that means cos theta. If it is 0, that is they are perpendicular to. Okay, AB bar is found. It is one vector. And BC bar. First we find the BC bar. What is a BC bar? Means OC bar minus OB bar. OC is 3 minus 4 minus 4. Minus OB is 1 minus 3 minus 5. That is 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. Be careful. Minus 4 minus of minus plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So BC bar is 2i minus j plus k. And one more thing. CA bar or AC bar, what does it mean? OA minus OC. OA is 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 minus OC bar is 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 4. It is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay now? That is minus I plus 3j plus 5k. Okay now? That is the CA bar. Okay now? First we find AB bar, BC bar and CA bar. These are the vectors. Okay now? First we find the free vectors. Now we have to find the dot product between any two vectors. If any AB bar dot BC bar is 0 na, or BC bar dot CA bar is 0, or AB bar dot CA bar is 0, we verify. If any one is 0, then it is 90 degrees. I will. First we consider AB bar dot AC bar, AB bar dot or BC bar, AB bar dot BC bar. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 6. This one. Take the vertices, I mean the coordinates. And BC bar is nothing but dot of 2 minus 1 comma 1. Like that also. Not needed to write I, J, K. Simply. AB bar is minus 1, minus 2, minus 6. BC bar is 2 minus 1, 1. Now dot product is I dot I. That is minus 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus minus 6 into 1. It is minus 2, it is plus 2, it is minus 6. not equal to 0. Okay, now next we'll go to next. So B is not AB bar dot BC bar is not equal to 0 means B is not 90 degrees. Again, another one we will take AB bar dot AC bar or CA bar. What does it mean? AC bar or CA bar. What is AB bar? AB bar is -1, -2, -6 dot of CA bar is it is -1, it is 3. Okay, now and it is 5. Okay, -1, 3, 5. We have to verify -1 into -1 plus -2 into 3 plus -6 into 5. Okay, now it is 1 -6, it is -30. It is also not equal to 0. Okay, now that is here repeated A. A is not also here. We can understand that angle B not equal to 90 degrees. Here that implies angle A not equal to 90 degrees. Now the only one thing is there. That is AB bar, BC bar, we consider BC bar dot CA bar. What is BC bar? BC bar is here it is BC bar 2 -1 1 dot of CA bar is -1 3 5. It is 2 into -1 plus -1 into 3 plus 1 into 5. Okay, now don't confuse. It is -2 -3 plus 5. Is it clear? Don't confuse me. 2 into -1 into 3 plus 1 into 5. That is -2 -3 5. So it is 0. Therefore BC bar is perpendicular to C bar. Its dot product is 0. So it is perpendicular. That implies C is repeated. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now therefore also diagram also. Now we can easily at C it is 90 degrees. A, B, C like that. Okay, Nana? Yeah. Hence we can conclude. Hence the given points are the vertices of right triangle. Okay, na? Like that. Is it clear, Dada? Try to. Unnecessarily, I am taking this one. Don't feel like that. We have to prove like that. Here, AB bar dot BC bar is not 0. That means AB bar is not perpendicular to BC bar. That means B is not 90 degrees. Next, AB bar dot CA bar. We are taking and we are proving that angle B is not 90, angle A is not 90, but angle B is angle C is 90 degrees. Any one of the angle of the three angles of triangle is 90, then it is a right angle triangle. Like that we have to prove. Okay, na? Yeah.